So you want to buy some parts for your Mustang, but you really don't know where to look. All you know is you want to find parts online, and there are many websites to get your parts from. Perhaps too many. So I'm going to show you 5 of the best websites to get parts for your Mustang. Summit Racing. Summit Racing Equipment is one of the biggest companies out there supplying performance parts and accessories for most makes and models. And of course, the Ford Mustang. Their selection is massive, offering everything from spark plugs to supercharger, turbocharger, and nitrous kits, suspension components, and everything in between. Parity. Parity is a very expansive website offering everything from interior components to audio components, wheels, tires, repair parts, performance parts, exterior parts, and everything else you would possibly want for your Mustang. And one place where Parity really shines is offering aesthetic parts for your Mustang. They offer everything from headlights to front and rear bumpers, spoilers, scoops, body kits, and everything else you would possibly want to make your Mustang stand out from the rest, while offering some of the most competitive pricing on the market. AmericaMuscle. AmericaMuscle is definitely a one-stop shop for everything you could possibly want for your Mustang. They have a massive list of parts at competitive pricing with free shipping on orders over $49. They are definitely a caterer to Mustang enthusiasts, both old and new alike. They offer many of the biggest names in Mustang performance parts, offering brands such as Ford Racing, Roush Performance, Lund Racing, Maxwell Motorsports, Saleen, VMP Tuning, Shelby Performance Parts, and many more. One exclusive brand to AmericaMuscle is SR Performance, which is an in-house brand providing parts and accessories at an extremely affordable price, so you'll be sure to get all the parts you need for your Mustang. CJ Pony Parts. CJ Pony Parts is another all-inclusive website that offers everything that you may need for your Mustang. And one of the best things about CJ Pony Parts is offering an extensive list of parts for classic and vintage Mustangs alike. Parts you may need for restoration purposes. Another great thing about CJ Pony Parts is the amount of accessories that they offer for your Mustang. I find the list to be a little bit better than most other websites, while also offering great pricing and customer service. Late Model Restoration. Late Model Restoration, or LMR, is another, once again, all-inclusive website for Mustang enthusiasts. And much like AmericaMuscle, LMR offers a lot of the top names in Mustang performance and great brands and parts alike. And offering the parts at a great price, as well as free shipping on orders over $49. And one place where LMR definitely stands out from the rest is offering parts many others don't, such as Coyote swap parts and the engines themselves, which is really neat. And of course, they carry a very exhausting list of performance parts to get your Mustang going faster, including supercharger kits, turbocharger kits, nitrous kits, engine management systems, and everything else you would possibly want and or need. LMR does also have an exclusive brand of their own, SVE Performance, that offers great quality parts at affordable prices, so you can be sure that you can get the parts you want for your Mustang. So that is 5 websites that you can go to for replacement parts, aftermarket parts, and performance parts for any of your Mustang you may have. Now, while that's not the only websites you can go to for Mustang parts, they are definitely some of the best out there, making it easier to get the parts you need for your Mustang. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and share with all your Mustang friends and family. That way they know where to go next for the best parts for their Mustang.